Hello, in this video I will show you how to create an invoice template and then how to select that as the invoice style that you want to send your customer. So to create the invoice template, you'll go to Company and then Manage Invoice Templates. And there are already a couple in here. So I'm just going to open one of these up, but well, you could click Add. And then here is where you will save an invoice template name. We will just make one. Here we go. So I want to put something unique on this invoice template so I can make sure that this is the right one and we can see the different fields that show up. Doesn't like that one. There we go. Okay. So test template, that's the one that we just made. Now I'm going to go into an invoice. I'm just going to select one that already exists, Adam's Candy Shop. And over here, so if you would like to choose one of the invoices that already exists, you can do that from here. If you would like to choose your unique invoice style that you just created, you'll go here to More, and then you're going to go to Printing. And then down here under Template, you're going to choose the template that you want. Now, this is the template that will be selected for every invoice that you're sending out. So you don't have to select it again, but this is where you'll choose that. If you want to create an invoice that doesn't have this template, special invoice style that you've made, you can just put it back to no template selected and it won't choose that one anymore. So we're going to choose Test Template and click OK. And now our invoice is going to have that template. So now if we want to look at our template or our invoice, if we want to print that out, we can see, go to Print Invoice Estimates in Queue, and this was the one that we're printing. I actually have my default printer set up to paper. So we'll say Invoice Test, saving to my desktop. And it's going to ask you, did it print correctly? So you can always check it before you say yes. So this is, let's see, yes, this is the template that we've selected. So it has, we can tell because it has this special stuff down here that we typed in. And that's how you create an invoice template.